Welcome back to my art vlog. Today I'll be creating a poster featuring the universally known Rubik's Cube. Henry Rubik conceived the Rubik's Cube in 1974, and from the 80s until today it has enjoyed huge success worldwide. The inspiration came from the original box's inscription, Magic Cube, prompting me to think a bit further about the cube. I wanted to design a cube on the poster that looks like each small cube is covered by a glass panel with a layer containing the color behind it. I've been a fan of retro and vintage things for a long time, so I felt it was time to create a poster in this iconic theme. Once the design was complete, all that was left to do was send the poster to the printer and finally frame the picture. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you here very soon.